am I? Great, the woods. As if that isn't the most stereotypical place a creepy wolf man could dump me. Oh, nice, I have my phone. But it's at like 15%. Ugh. Oh, I don't need to charge my phone. It's not like I'm going anywhere. God, stupid, Brandon, stupid. Well, I should have enough power to at least make one phone call. God, he better pick up. Come on, man. Where are you? Whoa, whoa, who's there? I have a number 2 pencil, and I'm not afraid to use it. Oh. Oh! It's you! Oh, you do not know how glad I am to see you. No, I'm fine. Don't worry. Yeah, I think we're somewhere in the woods near my house. Though with the darkness, it's kind of hard to tell. An hour's walk, of course. But I thought this was a waning gibbous or whatever. The full moon lasts 3 days. Are you serious? Yeah, I know. I need to check the app more often. Oh, shit, I can't believe I already forgot about this. Are you okay? Do you... Oh, jeez. Hey. Shh. I got you, dude. I'm right here. Are you okay? Are you done? Oh, hello, you. You know, I don't know what made me think you were a dog in the first place. Maybe adrenaline? You're more like, would it be redundant to say wolfman? Okay, enough with the jokes. Let's just get out of here. You know, your fur's kinda warm. Yeah, I guess carrying me would be faster, and... Wait, if you can talk in your wolf form, why didn't you say anything before? You know, when you first broke into my house all bleeding and crap, you only just made dog noises at me. Oh, 'cause you didn't want me to know it was you at first. Yeah, that checks out, I guess. A weird way to go about it, though. Just shut up and take me home. Whoa, hey, maybe calm down with the speed there. It's, weirdly nice being this close to you. Yeah, well, we're stuck like this for around an hour, so what are you gonna do about it, huh? Oh, we're here. Yeah, sorry, I kind of fell asleep a little. Oh, shut it. You're warm and it's dark. Sue me. Yeah, let's head inside. Ah, jeez. The deadbolt on my door got wrecked. I'll have to fix that tomorrow. That's sweet, man, but I can handle it. Look, I know I can tell you, I know we're in this together, but I'm fine. Seriously. Actually, you know what? I don't think I'm all that fine. I just... I'm trying to get my head around all this, but I don't know. No, it's not you, don't worry. It's just... There was nothing I could do. Some werewolf attacked me in the middle of the day and there was nothing I could do. I didn't even know you guys could transform during the day. Well, it being an unnatural occurrence is some comfort, but I don't want you to feel like you have to protect me, and I'm trying so hard to prove that I'm strong enough to, I don't know, keep being around you. No, no! The last thing I want is you going away to keep me safe. Ugh. I want to be in a place where I'm okay with you. We almost never take the time to be around each other anymore, with you and your Draylfus stuff, and me balancing my job and art, but I still want to hang out with you, you know? Yeah, you're right. These things take time. But we'll pull through, right? Yeah, we always do. We always do. Okay, I'm guessing you need to go run around like a madman or mad wolf. Okay, okay, yeah, that's what I thought. But this is the last day of the full moon, right? Didn't get that wrong this time? Right, okay. Whew, thank God. Well, you go ape shit, and I'll be waiting here when you get back, okay? Be safe. Rise and shine, idiot! You know, you could have snuck back inside, but no, you had to pass out on the lawn. Nah, nah, I get it. Don't worry. Come on, let's get you inside. At least you left. Well, the good news is you left some spare clothes at my house this time. Here. Yeah, you can use my bedroom to change, ignoring the fact that it's completely redundant, considering you were shirtless last night anyway. I was not staring. Just go. Jeez. How do you even balance all this with regular life? I mean, the camping trip was a good excuse, but even then, it's a long shot from being easy to adapt to. I guess I would know, wouldn't I? Hey, actually, I have a question. Am I, the first person you've ever let in on the secret? Really? Who? And more importantly, how'd they find out? Okay, so they dragged you along for a road trip, and you forgot that. Wait, you transformed on some random beach right in front of them? Oh my god, that sounds like such a mess. But who exactly were they to you, anyway? Surely it couldn't have been that bad. You were dating. Uh, oh. Oh, nothing, nothing. Just forget about it. Nothing, not. Seriously, it's nothing special. Just take your coffee and drop it. Yeah, yeah, I know, I'm a lifesaver. Wait, what's up? You wanna stay here with me? Oh, just until I get the deadbolt fixed. Okay. Well, I'm inclined to say not to worry, and that'll be fine out here, but it'll really put me at ease. Thanks. Yeah, that way next time Draylfus kicks my door and you can just jump up from the couch and be all, hey, weren't expecting me, were you? Yeah, the couch. I don't have a guest room. I'm not answering that. Because would you prefer if I stayed in your bed is a dumb question and I'm not gonna perjure myself, you jerk. Fine, if anything happens where you absolutely need to sleep in my bed or you'll die, you can sneak in. I don't care. But if you shove me off, I swear to God. Yeah, how about we just focus on getting through this month without me wanting to toss you off a ledge? Because if I get dragged into the woods by your wolf nemesis the next full moon, I'm buying bear mace and using it on both of you. I'm joking, I'm joking. But don't test me. No, I'm not actually gonna spray you with bear mace, dude. I'm not a complete jerk.